Thank you, Jay. Yes, anybody can read the question for me.
The diagrams below show how chocolate is made and how the price of a chocolate bar is divided up among those involved in the process.
Okay, so in
Summarize
that case, yes, in that case, what is the three things that we have to use to mention like what the diagram is about or to make the introduction? What are the things? Yes, what are the things that we have? Remember, we talked on what? Then,
First of all, we have to paraphrase the first statement given.
exactly, very good. So that paraphrasing was what, where, and when, right? In case of what, there are two types of picture that we have. Agreed? We have two types of picture. First, what you call? First one is how chocolate is made. What
Flowchart.
do you call that? No. Looking at the arrows, you cannot say. Just understand the data. You can see a cocoa grinding, and at the end, there is something which is being made, a chocolate bar. How chocolate is made. So making is
Process.
called as what? Process. Very good. So there are two types what we have here. First one is process. I'm just writing. You have a process and you have a pie chart. Right? एक चीज paraphrase हुआ. तो diagrams के जगह पे what I can write is first में what I can write.
Process.
Okay, the process illustrates. Right? Where में क्या आएगा? टाइप के साथ इंफॉर्मेशन भी नीचे लिख देते हैं. Information. What is the information? Paraphrase it now. The information is how the chocolate is made. Ko can I paraphrase about information about the making of chocolate? About
Yes, ma'am.
the making of chocolate. Okay. And दूसरा information क्या है? How? वहां पे क्या लिखा है? How the price of chocolate bar. So in case of writing how the price, can I say how the cost of chocolate bar?
Yes.
How the cost of chocolate bar. Okay. Now the word they use, chocolate bar, is divided. Can I use the term is segregated? Any other word that you all have? Yes, is segregated. Okay, कितने लोगों में segregate हुआ है या divide हुआ है? Yes, everyone.
5 things.
Okay, so it is divided in 5. So can I use the preposition among? Among how many categories? 5. among सिर्फ preposition हुआ है. Categories process में आता नहीं है, तो वो among किस में distribute हुआ है? 5 different categories. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. when आएगा इसमें टाइम पीरियड मेंशन है, प्रोसेस का टाइम पीरियड होता नहीं है. पाई चार्ट में टाइम पीरियड दिया नहीं है, सो इसमें आई जस्ट पुट अ क्रॉस. ये मेरा मेंशन नहीं होगा. क्या बाकी रहा? scale. Am I correct? So scale process का होगा या नहीं होगा? Do we have any scale for process? For pictures, do we have any kind of scale, or we have scale for infograph that is called as data?
Percentage.
Percentage, exactly. तो process का नहीं होगा scale. We have only scale for pie chart, that is percentage. तो इससे paraphrase हो जाएगा. The process, या तो आप लिख सकते हो the pictorial diagram illustrates, or you can say provides the information about the making of chocolate, and the pie chart illustrates, or you can use the another term, reveals the information or the data about how the cost of chocolate bar is segregated among 5 different categories. Full stop. The scale is in percentage. समझ आया सबको?
Yes.
Everybody understood with the introduction? Okay. Can I ask you all to write your introduction now? Will you be able to write your introduction? I have written keywords here in the screen now, so you'll be able to make it fast. Okay, so please write down the introduction. Fair में लिखना तो आपको ज़्यादा तकलीफ नहीं पड़ेगी वापस लिखने की. You have to just explain the data then. I'm trying my best to figure it out how I can share this picture, but I don't know. लिख लिया सबने की बाकी है? Okay, great. I'm able to do this. Everybody can listen to me. You all are done with the introduction? I'm not able to get. File tab isn't supported right now. We only support sharing PowerPoint files. Okay, yes, can I talk to anybody? Done with the introduction, guys? Yes, no? Please speak that at least.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So we'll be starting with the image now. Can you see this image, everyone?
No,
So we are done with.
No, ma'am.
You cannot see the image.
No.
Okay, now
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, done. Now we have already done. Can you see they have written write at least 150 words? That means you should not write 149. So when you are submitting this task to me after writing, make sure that you have counted your words. Now, first, this would be explained in first paragraph. Am I correct? Process हम first paragraph में explain करेंगे. Pie chart को कहाँ पे explain करेंगे? That would be in which paragraph?
Second paragraph.
Second paragraph. Now talking about the first thing, I would be using which linker? Body one linker आएगा, supporting linker आएगा या contradicting linker आएगा first paragraph के लिए? First paragraph के लिए कौन सा linker आएगा?
Body one.
Body one linker, that is to begin with, to start with, to commence with. ये सारी चीजें आप यूज कर सकते हो. So can I say to begin with? Can everybody see here? If you can see my cursor, chocolate manufacturing process or chocolate making process starts by grinding of. क्या grinding हो रहा है? Cocoa beans. कोको ने चोको नहीं करता. हाँ, कोको એટલે COCO એ spelling લખ્યું છે, right? So chocolate making process starts by grinding of cocoa beans. While it is grinded, શું થાય છે? બે વસ્તુ થયું. Waste and second, cocoa liquor. So can I say while it is grinded, the waste is removed. The remaining part becomes what?
Cocoa liquor.
Very good. The remaining part becomes cocoa liquor. Now this cocoa liquor is used in two ways. Can you see two arrows again? Yes. So what can be the first way? I can either explain this or I can either explain this or both of them together. So the first way क्या है इसमें? One way is that it gets pressed and the other is used in कहाँ पे? Industrial. Where it is
Industrial
used?
chocolate.
Industrial chocolate. You can use a supporting linker. Furthermore, or besides this, this pressed cocoa, okay, becomes what? Cocoa powder and cocoa butter, where the cocoa butter and other ingredients are mixed in industrial chocolate to form a chocolate bar, whereas or simultaneously the cocoa powder is sent to where it is sent?
Food industry.
Food industry. Clear થયું? એરોસ પ્રમાણે જ એ તમને પ્રોસેસ માટે ઇન્ડિકેટ કર્યું છે કે આનાથી આ વસ્તુ રો મટીરિયલ આમાં જશે, પછી અહીં જાય છે, પછી આમાં મિક્સ થાય છે અને પછી આ રિઝલ્ટ થાય છે, રાઈટ? So what do we have? I'm repeating it again. To begin with or to start with, the chocolate manufacturing or the chocolate making process starts by what? Grinding of cocoa beans. While it is grinded, what is removed, guys? Waste is removed. And the remaining part or the rest of the part becomes what? It becomes cocoa liquor. This liquor is used in two ways. What are those ways? It gets
Bread.
and the other is used in?
Industrial.
Okay. Hence, the pressed cocoa से क्या निकलेगा वापस? क्या बनेगा? Cocoa powder and?
Cocoa butter.
And the cocoa butter with sugar and other ingredients is mixed in
Industrial.
to form?
Chocolate bar.
Very good. Simultaneously, what is happening with the cocoa powder? It is sent to?
Food industry.
Very good. Perfect, everyone. Great. Okay. Process બધાને ખ્યાલ આવી ગયો? લખાશે હવે process. Next, શું છે? How the price of chocolate bar is divided up. ક્યારે બી pie chart હોય ને, જે highest હોય છે, ત્યાંથી ચાલુ કરવાનું. Okay. It is easy to compare. તો આમાં highest કયો છે? I'm sorry. Which one is highest?
Cost of ingredients.
cost of ingredients and overheads. So you can say in addition to, who kai bhi vastu am explain nahi karti negative ma. You can see you have two pictures, two infograph, but they are related to each other. So one is explaining you the process, another is explaining about the price distribution of chocolate bar. Now cost of ingredients and overheads, you can say in addition to, the pie chart demonstrates or the pie charts provides the percentage માં છે the percentage of price या तो percentage of cost distribution of the chocolate bar. Now what is happening here? The highest price or the highest portion goes to whom? Cost of ingredients and overheads with how many percent?
37%.
37%. Okay. Followed by, what is this? Followed by
34.
Supermarket.
34% for supermarket, which is how many percent less?
3.
3% less.
Very good. So can I say followed by supermarket, which is 3% less than the former FORME? Sorry, FORMER. Former मतलब ऊपर वाले से 3% कम हुआ. So which is less than the former. If I don't want to mention cost of ingredients again, I can simply say which is 3% less from the former, that comes up to 34%. Okay. But પછી શું બાકી રહ્યું? 15 and 10%. બહુ વધારે difference નથી. So can I write that together? Group કરીને. Thereafter, Tex
Yes.
and Chocolate Company allocate the 15% and 10% were allocated to whom? Tex and Chocolate Company. And the least किसको गया था? 4% least goes to
Farmers.
farmer. Exactly. Very good. So I can say again, I'm repeating, in addition to the second chart, or you can say the pie chart, demonstrate the percentage of money allocations of the chocolate bar. In that, the highest percent, that is 37, goes to cost of ingredients and overheads, followed by the supermarket, which is 3% less than the former, that is 34%. Thereafter, 50% and 10%, or you can use the term apart from this, 15% and 10% were allocated to Tax and Chocolate Company, whereas, however, least goes to farmer, that is 4%. Clear? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. Now, what we are going to do is, we have to make now the last paragraph. What do you make last paragraph? Explanation થઈ ગયું બે paragraph ની અંદર. Last માં શું આવશે?
Overview.
Overview statement. Very good. Now, can I say in overview statement, the process is not only lengthy. Process की बात हो रही है, right? तो process में हम दो phrase को judge करते हैं. तो ये आपको lengthy लग रहा है, steps ज्यादा है. More than 6. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3, 4, 5, and this is 6, and this is 7. Counting ખબર પડી? No, I don't think so. આ બી અલગ અલગ લેવાનું છે. 1, 2, 3. This arrow is 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yes, 8 steps. So it is more than 6, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So can I say it is lengthy, or I need to say short? What should be the correct word?
Lengthy.
Lengthy. It is complex or it is simple?
Complex.
Exactly. So can I use a phrase that the process is lengthy? Not only lengthy, but also complex?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so there can be a phrase that the process is, or chocolate making process is not only lengthy but also complex, which consists of how many steps does it consist? કેટલું count કર્યું આપણે?
8.
8. Very good. So which consists of 8 steps, and what plays the major role in this, जिसके बिना आपका process complete नहीं हो सकता?
Cocoa.
Cocoa beans. Very good. Okay, so I would simply say that the process is not only lengthy but also complex, which consists of 8 steps, and cocoa bean plays the most important role in making of chocolate. In addition to, or you can use the term furthermore, okay, or you can use the term moreover. In pie chart, the highest cost is bear by whom? The highest cost or the maximum amount goes to whom? Cost of ingredients and
Overhead.
overheads. And the minimum amount goes to whom?
Farmer.
Farmer.
Okay, so here simply I wrote maximum and minimum. Okay, now આમાં શું હતું? આપણે overview statement માં 2 થી 3 લખીએ છીએ એલિમેન્ટ. તો હવે પ્રોસેસમાં તમે દરેક 3 એલિમેન્ટ લખતા હો તો પાઈ ચાર્ટ નું એક એલિમેન્ટ લખાશે. સિમ્પલી તમે લખી શકો છો, moreover in pie chart the maximum amount goes to cost of ingredients and overhead. મિનિમમ ના લખો તો બી ચાલશે, એટલીસ્ટ બંને ચાર્ટનું ઓવરવ્યુ સ્ટેટમેન્ટ આવવું જોઈએ, કન્સિડર થવું જોઈએ. ઓકે, આપણે પ્રોસેસમાં 3 એલિમેન્ટ લખીએ છે તો પાઈ ચાર્ટનું આપણે એક એલિમેન્ટ લખી દઈએ છે. પાઈ ચાર્ટમાં બંને એલિમેન્ટ લખવું હોય મિનિમમ એન્ડ મેક્સિમમ તો એ કશો વાંધો નથી. ઓકે, ક્લિયર થયું બધાને?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone? Okay. So I don't know if I have Jay here in the meeting. May I talk with Jay? Jay is here. Okay, so I don't think so. I'll ask him to make an email ID for all of you. Today before by 6. સાંજના 6 વાગ્યા પહેલા પ્લીઝ સબમિશન થઈ જશે બધાનું લખીને.
ઈમેલ કરવાનો છે?
હા, મેલ કરી દેજો તો અહીંયાથી પ્રિન્ટ કાઢીને I will correct it and I will mail back to you. ઈમેલ આઈડી એવો હશે તો હું જય સાથે કોઓર્ડિનેટ કરીને ગ્રુપમાં ઈમેલ આઈડી આપી દઈશ બધાને, એના ઉપર મેલ કરી દેજો. એન્ડ મેક શ્યોર કે થોડું ક્લિયર પિક્ચર હોય જ્યારે તમે પિક્ચર ક્લિક કરો રાઇટિંગનું. પીડીએફ માં બી લખશો, પીડીએફ માં કન્વર્ટ કરશો તો બી કઈ વાંધો નથી. હા, સો એટલીસ્ટ તમને ખબર પડે કે લખવા પછી તમે કેટલું બેન્ડ્સ આવે છે ને શું પ્રોબ્લેમ છે ને કેવી રીતે તમે ઇશ્યુ સોલ્વ કરી શકો છો, લાઈક ધેટ.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, okay. So I'll give you 2 minutes ka break. Till then be ready with your reading. 2 minutes break and be ready with your reading, so I'll be speaking reading ka solution. Glass solve કર્યું તું ને બધાએ? એક મિનિટ. હા, can I speak to Bhavya? Bhavya is here. Any one of you can tell me ki passage માં મેં તમને glass આપ્યું હતું, right? Passage was about
Yes, ma'am.
glass, right? Thank you so much. So you can take 2 minutes ka break and we'll start with the answers. Okay, shall we start, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. Now just let me share. Okay, can everybody see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so answers mark કર્યું છે. Please તમારું answers પહેલા mark કરો. Number 1 is V triple I. Number 2 I. Number 3 IX. Mark કરો છો બધા, right? Number 4 is triple I. Number 5 VI. Number 6 you can write molten glass. ठीक है, सिर्फ रिबन ऑफ ग्लास लिखा हो तो भी चलेगा, molten glass रिबन भी चलेगा. Number 7 बेल्ट ऑफ स्टील. स्टील बेल्ट भी सही है, मूविंग बेल्ट भी राइट होगा. Number 8 you can write light bulb, or the answer can be molds. Light bulb molds लिखा हो तो भी चलेगा. 9A, 10B, 11A, 12C, 13A. Marked everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the next one. We did with 13, right? 14E, 15G, 16A, 17C, 18F, 19D, 20A, 21S, 22M, 23S. Marked?
Yes, ma'am.
Great.
Yes, ma'am.
24 it has double compulsory word છે. તમે it has double લખ્યા હશો તો બી correct છે, only double બી correct છે, કા તો doubled બી correct છે. it has doubled ed form લખ્યા છે તો બી correct છે. ઓકે, પછી આવે doubling. આમાંથી કઈ બી ચાલશે. 25 is delayering. 26 demographic trends. 27 employers. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
28 yes, 29 no, 30 no, 31 not given. 32 VI, 33 triple I, 34 I, and 35 double I. Okay. 36 will become extinct, या तो may not survive या will not survive. As I told you, will become extinct भी बराबर છે, may become extinct भी ચાલશે, could become extinct भी ચાલશે. આ તમારા main words છે, extinct and survive. આ main words છે. ઓકે, પછી locality કા તો distribution. locality કા તો distribution, કોઈ બી એક ચાલશે. 38 માં logging takes place, કા તો તમે લખી શકો logging occurs. 39B. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
બધા corrections થઈ ગયા, right? હવે now come down to first passage. First passage में number 1 to 5. So before you tell me your doubts, I want everybody to tell me what are the scores. Write it in the chat box. I'll check the chat box in a while. Please write down in the chat box, everyone. I will check it. ઓકે શું આવ્યો સ્કોર્સ બધાનું હજુ કાઉન્ટ નહીં કર્યું
मैम करी से काम
હમ 31 very good. "31 is 7 bands. Good. Okay. 31, 7 bands. Very good. Pachi next. Rutvik. Can I speak to Rutvik? Su score aayo beta? 26 is 6.5. 27, 6.5. Good. Rutvik and Jagdish, tamaru baki છે. Okay, Ritesh ka 29. Very good. That is 6.5 again. Only 5%, that's it. 27, 6.5 again. 28, 6.5. Anybody from 23 to 25, that is 6. Less than 23 किसी का आया है? Only 7 students solved or what? What is up with others? 25, 25, that is 6. Okay, 28, 6.5, 25 is 6 bands. And 28 is again 6.5. તમારું scores લખતા જજો હા હું જેમ જેમ બોલું છું. બીજું કોઈ બાકી? Three students, I'm waiting. Please hurry up. Okay, that's all. Not a problem. Can all of you see this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. કોઈને કશું કહેવાનું છે? I'll start with the review. કઈ confusion કશું? Okay, કઈ વાંધો નહીં. So 1 to 5, doubts from number 1 to 5. Question. Yes, no, I'll be needing that at least. 1 to 5 માં જેને doubt હોય, કશું wrong હોય, anything. Everyone, I request you to please communicate because then it is very difficult for me if you do not communicate. You have to at least tell me yes or no. किसी को भी doubt है?
No, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. From 6 to 8, any doubt? 6, 7, and 8. Yes?
No doubt, ma'am.
9 to 13. 9 to 13, any doubt? Okay, no doubt in this as well.
No, ma'am.
Passage 2. Any doubt from 14 to 19? 14 to 19, any doubt? Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
Okay. 20 to 23. Anything went wrong? 20 or 20 से लेकर 23.
No.
Okay. 24 to
No,
20.
ma'am.
24 to 27. Okay. In passage 3, any doubt from 28 to 31? 28 तो होना चाहिए, I suppose.
Not given आएगा ना.
What you have written? Not given?
Not given.
No, beta. The thing is, it was indirect answer. Let me explain you that. May I know your name?
Kala.
Okay. Scientists are interested, okay, effect of forestry on native animals. This is what your statement states, right? The thing is, the answer was indirect. My keywords is scientist, which I have to search. Rather, it would be same or it would be indirect. Effect of forestry and native animals. I think these two are clearly present and with the same words. Now here it says, एक political decisions, extent in the type of forestry आ गया, region important to understand the consequences, effect आ गया, assessing the forestry ecosystem is population pollution viability analysis. So ये इस पे से, can you see the species and every such keyword? Wildlife managers, so wildlife management, all this wildlife, these terms related to native animals, the वो region में जितने animals रहते हैं वो, तो वो जो term दिया है ना political decisions या जो pollution कितना है क्या है, उसका जो assessment करता है वो कौन करता है? Yes. So scientists is not only about assessing those things, scientists is also based on these forestries, that how the species are dying and everything. Getting it? So they take those decisions. To make a political decision about the extent and the type of forestry in the region, it is important to understand the effect of those decisions. जिसके लिए उन्होंने एक टूल बनाया था, वो टूल का नाम क्या था? Pollution Viability Analysis. Getting it? इसलिए that answer should be yes. Okay, great. Any other doubt from 29, 30 and 31? 29, 30 and 31. Sorry?
No doubt, ma'am.
No doubt? Okay. 32, 33, 34 and 35. anything from 32 to 35. No? Was it correct?
No doubt, ma'am.
The last one from 36 to 39. (36 to 39).
Ma'am, can you explain 39?
Yes. An alternative heading for the passage could be, you have to select the heading for the passage. Now, in all the passage, what was the context? Let me see first the keywords in the options that I have. First, they are talking about protection, flora and fauna, right? Next, they are talking about the factors assessing survival probability. Next, economic logging of forest, preventing measures, extinction of species. So if I talk about all those things, right? सारे passage के keywords क्या है? What are the keywords that we have in every passage? If you can see, एक तो extinction procedure के बारे में बात किया है. Species become extinct when the last individual dies and everything. So to make predictions about the extinction, we need to understand the process, can contribute to it, and fall into four broad categories, which are discussed below. So ये जे category तमे वाच्यो ने part B थी. A category में what they are talking, what they are trying to explain. Can you see the term reproduce into account? Reproduce means survive. Whether an individual survive. Yes. Particularly true if there
Yes,
are very
ma'am.
small number of one sex. For example, if there are 20 individuals for the species, so one is male and all the future individual species must be descended to that one male. So that animals likely to survive again and reproduce. Again, the same thing. Species raw material upon which natural selection can be acted. So genetic की variability, a species lack the capacity to evolve. Right? क्यों? Because they are not able to adapt the changes in the environment. That's why अगर ऐसे कोई reductions हो रहे हैं, population size will contribute to the likelihood of the extinction. Likelihood means जय भी तमे रहो छो. Again, likelihood is something to sustain, likelihood, survive. Again, likelihood का मतलब वही हुआ. आपकी daily needs पूरी करनी होगी. That is likelihood. So again, it is talking about the same thing. Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Even in part C, they talked about logging takes place. So however, all these individuals, pre-logging में क्या होता है, regardless of the theory and the reduction. Any kind of process. So scientific fact that the increasing the area that is loaded in any region will increase the probability of forest dependent animals. Forest dependent means जो वहां पे रह सके, जो depend करते हैं forest पे. So all it was talking about कि किससे forest को affect होता है. Okay, affect का मतलब क्या हुआ? Influential. Okay, topic का नाम ही था वो assess कर रहे थे because the term itself said that population viability analysis that they were trying to assess. हमने first paragraph में ही देखा. Assess करने के लिए इन्होंने ये tool निकाला था PVA, if you remember. Assessing the impact of forestry for PVA analysis. So influential means logging. If one species get away, so how many individuals are getting affected? So एक influential match हुआ, factors match हुआ in assessing what? Survival probability. So that is your B option. उन्होंने protection की कोई भी बात नहीं की. सिर्फ logging of the forest was not the only effect, and that too they are relating it to economics. So nothing is related to economic that is being taught. Preventive measures की भी बात नहीं की. उन्होंने एक एनालिसिस शो किया है जिसमें वो असेस कर रहे हैं कि सर्वाइवल की प्रोबेबिलिटी कितनी हो सकती है. लाइक दैट. क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anyone from 36, 37 and 38? Yes, anybody? Okay. Not an issue. I hope your doubts are clear, everyone. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then end of the day, you can start writing your writing task 1, that is report what I have given you. Next Saturday, I'll be taking one of the format, that is speaking. Yeah, writing task 2, I will update you accordingly before Saturday. I will text group I will text that email ID. Please make sure that you send your task in that email ID and take a clear picture. Take care of that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So thank you everyone for joining again, and have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.